This has been a real candy feast, and you say stop?
But we had to leave something for shooting a video. Oh, Samantha, we need to shoot a video.
Nah, don't worry, Slime. We'll think of something.
How can we if there's nothing left and we wanted to make a video about sweets? Oh, Samantha, get up and start thinking.
Oh, well, I'll just take some jam and some peanut butter and make a sandwich. And that'll be your video. Oops.
It's not oops. It's a catastrophe. Now we won't make a video about sweets. Won't make our viewers happy.
Why are you always panicking, Drama Llama? If there's no real sweets, we'll make artificial ones.
Artificial sweets?
Well, yes, it's better for your teeth and nothing will spoil.
Then let's go make them.
Nah, first I'll play a bit and you'll clean up in here.
Samantha!
That's my name. And you are Slime Sam. And if you want a new video for your channel, get to work.
Dear viewers, you've just witnessed a mistreatment of the channel star. I need your subscriptions and likes to comfort me. Thank you for your understanding. Poor me, I'm like Slimederella. I've cleaned up, ready to shoot, and Samantha still isn't here. I have no idea how you can make artificial sweets.
Here.
Here what?
We will use these to make sweets.
Paper, straws, a glue gun, tape. What? How? I don't get it.
You're going to see everything in action and understand. And hello everyone! Samantha is here and we're going to make a cool sweet kingdom for the Drama Llama so he doesn't freak out.
I don't freak out.
So I see. Go get some paper cupcake liners from the kitchen.
We are going to have something sweet?
You'll see. Go! And we'll make the cream. Let's take a white napkin, cut it in half, like this. And now wrap it around a pencil. Nice and tight, and press from both sides. Go slowly and gently here. Don't tear the napkin. And we'll get something like a wrinkle tube. Now let's take it off the pencil. And we'll need a few of these.
Samantha, while I was looking for the liners, I thought we could use some sprinkles.
We could? Well done. Give it all here. What's this? But the sprinkles aren't for the cupcakes.
What? Explain. I want to know.
You're getting ahead of things. Go draw a river on a piece of paper.
Draw a river? That I can do.
And I'll take this paper cone with the same diameter as the bottom of the liner and stick some double-sided tape over it. Oh, it's so sticky. There, let's glue the cone into the liner. And now, cover the cone with the paper tubes we've prepared. We need to cover it to the top. Now, let's put a cherry on top. It's a small pink pom-pom. We only need to attach our cupcake to a straw. And we'll have a cupcake tree.
Ooh, what a cupcake! Let me try it.
Well, here.
Oh, why does it smell like paper and tape?
Because, silly. What have I told you about artificial sweets, remember?
Oh, I think I'm starting to understand what you mean.
And here are 2 cupcake tree friends. Let's plant them in our sweet kingdom. I'll take the lid from the box as a base. And attach our beautiful trees with tape.
Samantha, is there going to be no food at all in our sweet kingdom?
Well, actually, there will be one. Here.
Sugar?
Nope!
Oh, it's salt. Why do you need so much?
To make it beautiful.
Beautiful.
There. And we'll add some of the sprinkles you brought.
Yay! Sprinkles rain!
Sam, did you draw the river?
Well, yes. Here.
A bit lopsided, but it'll do.
Oh no! How can you put glue on my beautiful drawing?
That's exactly how we're going to make a jelly river.
A glue river? Well, fine.
It'll be really awesome. Look, we'll apply some hot glue onto the river drawing. I remember to be careful when working with the glue gun, and you should as well. Now, let's allow this part to set. And apply some glue again. And we'll need to repeat that all over our river. Doesn't that look like jelly?
It looks so yummy, I even want to take a bite. But I won't.
Good thinking. We'd better cut our river out. Be careful now. Cut it as close to the glue as possible. There. and put it on its place.
So pretty. And don't we need a bridge across the river?
Wow, Slime Sam gets wise ideas. Oh, relax. Why don't we make the bridge like peppermint candy?
Oh, let's do it!
Pass these straws to me and I'll stick them to the half of a tape roll.
Finally, tape is good for something. I approve.
I'll remove the upper layer from the tape and let's go! One color, then another one. Thank you! Setting our bridge over the river.
Whoa! I can see everything from this bridge! I can even see viewers subscribing and hitting the bell button! Phew, those artificial sweets made me really hungry. But there's nothing interesting in the fridge. In this situation, I can't even eat an apple. Let's roll! Are you making a house here?
Yes, a house, but not for a slime.
Hey!
Well, you've had enough. Right, I've made the base for the house from cardboard and glue little lace curtains, see? Now, I only need to connect the sides.
Oh, it's not a house! It's a piece of cake!
It's a cake house, but of course it needs to be decorated.
How?
With the same straws we used before.
I already know what to do!
Wait, first we'll stick the door on, like this. And now let's stick the siding on.
I'd love to live in a house like this!
But that's not all. Now we're going to make a beautiful roof for the house.
But that's not beautiful at all!
We'll decorate it. We'll need some tubes from napkins, like the ones for the cupcakes. Let's stick some double-sided tape on top and on the back wall. And stick the napkin cream on top.
Put sprinkles on top!
Wait, these sprinkles won't hold. But pom-pom sprinkles will. Pom! And...
Don't forget this one!
You know everything, don't you?
I do.
Let's put the cake house in its place.
Oh. Awesome! I'm off!
It's not done yet.
But, fine, I'll wait. She asked me to go away, making something by herself. She took paper clips, a wooden stick, paints! She's painting something herself, though that's my element. Samantha, can I see?
No, wait.
How much longer?
I'm done. Come here.
Yay! I'm here.
Here.
What's that?
It's a rake.
What am I going to do with it?
You can jump on it.
What?
I'm just kidding. Look. It's so relaxing.
Give it to me! It really is.
Give a thumbs up if you liked our healthy sweet kingdom, and I'm off to rest. Bye-bye!
And I'll rest here. It feels so good. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Make them happy. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you know when a new video is ready.